All right. Good morning, everybody. This is a regular meeting of the Mansfield Middle School HVAC Committee, Building Committee. We have a short meeting today, I hope. We'll start is there anybody here from the public? No public participation. We'll close public participation. Next item of business is the approval of two sets of minutes. Both from meetings in January. We could probably do them together unless somebody wants to amend something. Do I have a motion to approve the two sets of minutes from January?
So moved.
Moved by Bill. Is there a second? Nate or Jeanette? You got a second. Jeanette seconds.
Second.
Any corrections, comments? Seeing none, all those in favor, please raise your hand. Okay, minutes are passed. Next item now I don't have the agenda in front of me. I had it 2 minutes ago and now I can't find it. I suppose I could find it if I make this smaller on my screen.
Yep, we should do them together.
Okay. The next item is an update from the facilities. Mike, how are we doing?
We're doing great. We've really wrapped up 95% of the installation work. Save More has begun to kind of pick up the items that we mobilized on site. The only remaining work is to get the units tied into our existing controls and test these units out, or do a factory startup and test these units out, which we have scheduled for April vacation.
For April. Yeah, that's what I thought. I was sort of surprised to see this meeting scheduled, but it's basically an invoices meeting, right?
Yep.
That's right.
Okay, so we have two invoices, one for Crosskey and one for Save More. Does somebody want to describe the Crosskey invoice?
This is essentially just a progress payment as we come closer to the end of this project. Nothing really notable. David, unless there's anything to note on your end.
No, nothing on our end. We're just withholding the last 5% until the project's complete. So our percentages is matching up with the percentage of completion.
Yeah, and this is for, right, as you see on the invoice, from 94.9, so essentially 95% completion.
Okay, do I have a motion to approve this invoice? Somebody has to read the motion, please. Moved by Bill. Have you got the motion in front of you?
I do not.
Nate, do you have the motion in front of you?
I do not. I'm on my phone.
Okay.
Are we allowed to read it?
Would somebody in the room read the motion?
Sure. Move effective February 9th, 2026 to approve payment of invoice 25356 from Krosky in the amount of $1,990.
And Bill moves, and who seconded? Was that
Nate.
Nate seconded? Okay.
Oh, okay. Never mind.
Any questions about this invoice? Any discussion? All those in favor, please raise your hand. Any opposed? Seeing none, motion is approved. The second motion is for Save More. Would somebody in the room read that, please?
Move effective February 9th, 2026 to approve payment of application number 7 from Save More Cooling and Heating in the amount of $115,600.
And
this was to cover which work?
Essentially, work completed to date. This covers the ductwork connections and they're actually the total ductwork installation and connection. We may likely see another invoice between now and startup and testing, which would consist of that remaining controls tie-in work. And then our final invoice would be held back until successful startup and testing.
Right. Okay. Who will move? This invoice has been moved and seconded, correct?
No.
Okay, would somebody move this invoice, please?
Sure, I will.
Moved by Jeanette, seconded by
Second.
Nate. Thank you. Any further questions or discussion? All those in favor, please raise your hand. Okay, no opposite, anybody opposed? It's unanimous. Thank you. Is there any other business on our agenda? I don't believe there is.
Meeting. Our next meeting date of March 16th. And
Okay. If there's nothing on that agenda, I mean, the next invoice will be for the connection, so there may be a March meeting.
Yes.
Yes, okay. So put it on your calendars, folks.
Okay.
And the next item of business is a motion to adjourn. Do I have a motion to adjourn?
I
Moved
move
by
that we adjourn the
Bill,
meeting.
seconded by Jeanette. All those in favor, please raise your hand. Thank you very much, guys. I look forward to an air-conditioned gymnasium and top floor. See ya. We're adjourned.
Thank you.
Bye,
Thanks,
everyone.